What's up, guys? What's up? So back to another video. Today I will be seeing a live rocket launch. This was a very big coincidence. They delayed it and now we're going to be able to see it. You guys have to see this video, like and subscribe to this video, because it's going to be a great video. Keep watching this video and do not click out of this video and watch something else. So you guys, in 3, 4, maybe 5 minutes, are about to experience a live rocket launch. And it's not going to be live to you guys if you guys don't see this, but that is okay, because you guys are going to see the Falcon 9, the reusable rocket, go up into space with some rich guys. They aren't actual astronauts, they're people who paid to do it. So they're in suits right now, and they're going up in space to go and help with making life on the moon. That's what we're working on right now. That's what they're working on. So they're gonna do that. And Falcon 9 is it's a black and white rocket. The tip is white, and then after the rest of it is black. And I am currently 3 miles away from it right now. You guys can't see this, but you guys see that building that you guys can probably see, that big building that has that red and blue stuff on it. Yeah, that's where they make the rockets. And what's special about that is that's where they make the Falcon 9. That's where NASA works. That's where SpaceX works. And the launch pads right now, the launch pads are they're really close. So yeah, the launch pads are literally right in front of me. 2 of them. 39A, and that is the rocket. Guys, let's see that. Dude, that is crazy. Look at that thing. It's live. This is live. Oh my gosh. That is the Falcon 9 right there. Reusable rocket. And it has lifted off. That guys, this is so crazy. This is my first ever live rocket I've ever seen. I've actually never seen a rocket go off before. I've seen it, but I haven't seen it on like a video or even live. And this in Cocoa Beach, Florida right now. It's a live rocket.
Let's go.
See this? Come on. I'll break the atmosphere. Break the atmosphere. don't know. I think they have already broken out this year, but yeah, I think they're almost in space. Oh. Guys, they're in space. They're in space. Let's go. Oh my gosh, dude, they're in space. They are in space. That is great, dude. That is. Falcon 9, SpaceX. Wow, that was amazing. That was amazing. Thank you, SpaceX, for doing this. It's a wonderful experience. And I'm glad you delayed it, because I mean, SpaceX, they delayed it. They delayed the first one, and then they moved it to this time when I was in Florida, and this is just a great chance. This is a great chance. I can't believe this. This is really cool. Guys, I don't know if you got a good angle at it, but if this is your first time seeing a rocket, congratulations. It's my first time, so I mean, it's really good. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and enable notifications.